How to export in 1080p or 4K from VN Video Editor. Want your video in stunning 1080p or even 4K? Here's how to export in high quality from VN Video Editor. Once your editing is complete, tap the export icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the export settings screen. Look for the resolution option and tap on it. Choose either 1080p or 4K depending on your preferences and device capability. Next, check the frame rate and bitrate settings. Higher values give better quality but bigger file size. After adjusting, tap export and wait for your video to process. Exporting in 4K takes longer and uses more storage, so make sure you have enough space available. Tried exporting in 4K yet? Share your experience with the quality and file size in the comments below. And that's how you can export in 1080p or 4K from VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.